Gems, welcome back. It's Lorena again. Today I'm here with Boxycharm's unboxing for the month of August, and of course the updates from last month's box. So if you're new to my channel, I do this every month. I show you guys what I got this month, plus tell you what happened with last month's products. So let's get into this unboxing, why don't we? And if you're not part of the Gems fam, of course I'm going to remind you to subscribe by clicking that button and the notification bell so you don't miss future uploads. And let's get into this baby. So I do have my handy scissors here. And let's do this. Alright, first things first, the card. I don't really like this new format of the cards. I prefer the other one where you didn't have to unfold things. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products this month. Okay, not bad. It says life of the party is the theme. You don't have pictures this time, but you just have descriptions. So let's go into this baby. Alright. Ooh, some exciting stuff. Let me adjust. Alright, first off, the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. So prep and prime your skin with your new Becca primer. First, which it tells you which ones are options. It creates a perfectly smooth canvas for your foundation, 100% party approved. I have not used a Becca primer before, so this is exciting. Let's see. Pretty decent size here. I feel like this would be the travel size. This is that's a different product. $15 to $18 for this size of the primer. And again, I got the Ever Matte, so we shall see. Oh, it's pretty similar to the, what do you call it? The NARS that I'm trying to get through in my 2018. Doesn't smell like anything. Has a similar formula to the Makeup Forever. Yeah, why did I say NARS? I don't know. The Makeup Forever mattifying one. Not bad. It does leave you pretty dang matte though. So I'll let you guys know next month how much I love or don't love that. Let's see. Let's go with this clear thing. This is Cella treatment. So rich vitamin E infused cuticle oil. Okay, not bad. Glam yourself head to cuticles before a night out with this vitamin E infused cuticle oil. Its gentle rubber grip dropper allows for the perfect dosage of oil and application every time. Gently apply and massage the nails and cuticles 2 times a day to nourish and soften your nails. Let's not talk about my nails. They need to be redone. But I don't usually use cuticle oils, which is really bad, I know, because everything's really dry. But it's just not my thing. So I'll probably gift that to someone. Okay, moving on. Let's see. We've got Bang Beauty Chocolate Eyeliner. Used as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate toned pomade is the ultimate triple threat. Oh, the oil, by the way, retails for $18. This retails for $22. Let's see. Alright, the lid isn't completely on mine, but just like it says, chocolate looking brow pomade. I think that would work for me. Interesting. I'll let you guys know. It's pretty pigmented though. So we'll see later on how well that works. Okay. Next. Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Oh, we have 3 of them. Nice. I've heard of these gold under eye masks. They're supposed to be really good for you. It says, after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extracts and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area. These retail for $13. I'm not sure if that's just one or all 3, but alright, I'm into that. Next, let's see. Smashbox. We've got a lip product. Create a bold, beautiful look with your new Smashbox Lip Product. This pigment-loaded color glides on in just one swipe, getting you out the door and into the party quicker. Shades and finishes may vary, so $21 to $24. I got the Brains and Bronze Be Legendary Liquid Metal Lip Color. I don't think I'm going to keep this one, guys. Just right off the bat, I don't usually wear... It won't come out. A very brownish or bronzy lip shades. Oh yeah. That is not my kind of shade. I'm just being honest with you. I had one of these before. I had the red one, and it's not my favorite formula either. They're pretty thick and sticky, and it kind of grosses me out. So I'm just going to put this in my gift bag because I have so much makeup to give away right now that I have a bag. We'll just put that in there. Last but not least, we have the Laura Lee LA Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. Dare to be the life of the party with Laura Lee LA Party Animal Palette. These 6 stunning shades create bold, colorful looks, leaving you ready for a night of fun. $19 retail price. Packaging is pretty cute, I'm not gonna lie. Interesting. Ooh. Nice. It's not your everyday neutral tone. They're not kidding about the fun pops of color. This one I'm not giving away, so let's just go ahead. Oh, girl, that pigmentation. Okay, this one's not as impressive. Like the navy, the minute I touched it, yes. Okay. Or the deeper blue. Yeah. Let's see, hungover I'm likely to use. Oh, that's gorgeous. Right there. Then we have drinks. Not drinks, drinks. Is that bright orange? I'm not even going to go into the pink because that I definitely wouldn't use. It has a cute little mirror, so if you're on the go. This you definitely need to subsidize with something else, though. You can't just wear this all over your eyes. I mean, I couldn't. But, okay. I'll give it a try and let you guys know next month what's up. And that is it for this month. So we have $19, $18. I hate doing math. Let's see. 19, 18, 21. I'm just going to round up. So 20, 20, 24, 64. That's 76, 77. Plus 22 makes it 90 something. So over $100 worth of products. We got 6 products this month. I didn't even look at the picture. Okay, so you have Laura Lee and her little gang there. Or crew, whatever you want to call it. Group of friends. Alright, so that is this month's box. I'm iffy about it. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Be like, oh my gosh, this is such an amazing month. Like, I'm just kind of iffy. Kind of like, we'll see. With everything. Alright, as for last month. So I have last month's card right here. I have 3 out of the 5 products in front of me as well. 3 or 4? 4. Okay, so first off, the No More Baggage. This I was excited about. I like Dr. Brandt quite a bit, but I honestly haven't used it enough. I don't really see that much of a difference when I do use it. It's a little fresh, but that's about all I've noticed. So this I'm still on the fence about. Then we have the Crown Brush Eyeshadow Collection. That I have in my giveaway bin because I just know that those shades are not shades I'm going to use. We have the Wander Beauty Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. I don't really feel like it volumizes or curls. It's just kind of okay. Just kind of darkens my lashes, but I'm using it today. I've used it about 6-7 times, and I'm just not wowed. Like, it doesn't really lengthen or curl or volumize. It's just an alright mascara, so this I would not purchase. Especially for a $24 price tag. Girl, get yourself some Tarte. Like, no. Alright, the Note Cosmetics. This was probably the best out of the box for me, personally. This blush is so pigmented, girl. And it's a really nice shade for my skin tone. I'm wearing it right now. I really like it. But you have to have the lightest hand with this. Like, if you go ham, you're going to look clowny real quick, girl. So, this one I really liked. But you do have to be extra careful with it. And last but not least, the Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. This I like for travel. I did travel last month, spent a week away from home, and took this with me, and it is just a quick, easy way to touch up your brows. I like the fact that you have the little brush on one side, you have the gel in the other end of it. It's compact, it's easy to carry with you, it's easy to apply, it works well. I used it right now on my brows again, and it works nicely. I like to still kind of leave things looking a little sparse. I like things to look natural. So I really just fill in a couple bald patches and kind of brush it through to kind of have it hold my brows in place, and it works well for that too. So this one, yeah, this one I would possibly repurchase. I've tried Cella products, so far so good with everything I've tried from them, and yeah, I like that one. So that is it. That is the update from last month and all the goodies we got this month. Again, I will let you guys know next month in my next video how they worked out, what did, what didn't, what I gave away, what I kept. For sure I'm giving away the Smashbox, just being real with you guys, that is not a color I would normally wear. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this interesting. Let me know by clicking the like. Again, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join the Gems fam. I will see you very soon, guys. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and see you later. Bye.